Unlock your preschooler's potential. 10 fun learning activities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unlocking your preschooler's potential with 10 fun learning activities. Ready to transform playtime into powerful learning experiences? Discover 10 exciting activities that will ignite your preschooler's curiosity and set them on a path to success. Imagine a world of textures and hidden treasures. Sensory bins are fantastic for developing tactile skills. Fill a bin with rice, beans or water. Even colourful pasta works wonders. Add scoops, cups and small toys for your child to explore. This isn't just fun, it's educational. As they pour, sift and discover, they're building fine motor skills and engaging their senses. Encourage imaginative play by adding themed items like toy animals for a farm bin or blue-coloured water and plastic fish for an ocean adventure. Parents, educators and caregivers can adapt the bin's contents to match current learning themes or simply let the child's imagination lead the way. Gather round for story time, but with a twist. Reading aloud is a cornerstone of language development, but acting out scenes takes it to a whole new level. Choose books with engaging characters and exciting plots. Encourage your preschooler to participate by making animal sounds, mimicking character actions, or even creating their own dialogue. This interactive approach enhances comprehension and fosters a love of reading. Educators can use this technique to bring stories to life in the classroom, while parents can create cherished memories with their children. Remember, the goal is to make reading an enjoyable and engaging experience. Let your preschooler's creativity flow with painting, drawing and sculpting. Provide a variety of art supplies like crayons, markers, paint, Play-Doh and construction paper. Don't worry about perfection. The process is more important than the product. Art projects boost fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination and self-expression. Encourage experimentation with different colours, textures and techniques. Parents can display their child's artwork to boost their confidence and sense of accomplishment. Educators can incorporate art into lessons to make learning more engaging and memorable. Step outside and discover the wonders of nature. Nature walks are a fantastic way to foster curiosity and observation skills. Collect leaves, rocks and twigs and talk about the different plants and animals you see. Ask questions like, what colour is that leaf? Or, how many legs does that insect have? This encourages critical thinking and scientific inquiry. Nature walks also provide opportunities for physical activity and fresh air. Caregivers can use nature walks to teach children about environmental stewardship and the importance of protecting our planet. Building blocks are more than just toys. They're tools for learning. Challenge your preschooler to build towers, houses or other structures. This improves spatial reasoning, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. Encourage them to experiment with different shapes and sizes. Ask questions like, how can you make the tower taller? Or, what happens if you remove this block? Building blocks also promote creativity and imagination. Educators can use building blocks to teach basic math concepts like counting, sorting, and patterns. Involve your preschooler in simple cooking tasks. This teaches math skills, science concepts, and healthy eating habits. Let them help measure ingredients, stir batter, or decorate cookies. Talk about the different ingredients and where they come from. Explain how cooking changes the properties of food. Cooking together is also a great way to bond with your child and create lasting memories. Parents can use cooking as an opportunity to teach their children about nutrition and healthy eating choices. Turn up the music and let loose. Singing songs, dancing and playing musical instruments develop rhythm, coordination and self-expression. Encourage your preschooler to move their body in different ways. Play different types of music and talk about how they make you feel. Music and movement also promote social interaction and emotional development. Educators can use music and movement to energize the classroom and make learning more fun. Caregivers can use music to soothe and comfort children. Jigsaw puzzles and shape sorters are excellent tools for enhancing problem-solving skills and hand-eye coordination. Start with simple puzzles and gradually increase the difficulty as your preschoolers' skills improve. Encourage them to try different strategies and to persevere when they encounter challenges. Puzzle play also promotes spatial reasoning and critical thinking. Parents can use puzzles to spend quality time with their children and to foster a sense of accomplishment. Educators can use puzzles to reinforce concepts learned in the classroom. Plant seeds and watch them grow. Gardening teaches responsibility, patience, and basic science concepts. Let your preschooler help water the plants, pull weeds, and harvest vegetables. Talk about the different parts of the plant and how they work. Explain how plants need sunlight, water, and soil to grow. Gardening also promotes a connection to nature and an appreciation for the environment. Caregivers can use gardening to teach children about healthy eating and sustainable living. Pretend to be doctors, teachers, or superheroes. Role-playing games encourage imagination, social skills, and language development. Provide props like costumes, toys, and household items. Let your preschooler take the lead and create their own scenarios. Ask questions to help them develop their characters and storylines. Role-playing games also promote empathy and understanding. Educators can use role-playing to teach children about different professions and social roles. Ready to unlock your preschooler's full potential? Try these 10 fun and educational activities today. Don't wait. Start incorporating these activities into your preschooler's daily routine and watch them thrive. Share this video with other parents, educators, and caregivers who are looking for engaging ways to boost their child's learning. Subscribe to our channel for more educational tips and resources. Let's work together to create a brighter future for our children.